Now we just want to do a quick review of some skills, creating folders, tagging files into multiple folders versus moving files, and sharing and setting permissions. So first off, to create a folder, you just hit Create over here and choose Folder. You can give the folder a name and hit Create. Now whatever folder you were in over here is where that new folder will go. So if you want to create a folder inside a folder, just make sure you click on the folder first and that you're inside the folder. So you can just hit Create and New Folder, and there we just created a folder inside a folder. Next, we want to talk about tagging files into multiple folders versus moving files. So here is a file adding and subtracting fractions, and if you want to tag this into multiple folders, you would just click the checkbox, hit the folder icon, and then remember to use the command click option so that it's check marked in both places. Then click Move. Now you can see the file remains in its original folder, and it also belongs to another folder. So if we look over here, we can see the file here as well. So that's how we tag files into multiple folders versus moving files using the command click. Next we want to review sharing and setting permissions. So you can set sharing permissions by the file individually. You just click on the checkbox, click on the share icon, and then you have all your choices. So remember, you can choose any of these visibility options: public, anyone with a link, Lutheran High School, or shared privately. You can also share it with specific people by typing their email address in, and then you can make sure that it's set for the appropriate permission, whether they can edit, comment only, or view only. So once you're done with this, then you would just hit Share and Save. Now you can also share a lot of files simply by sharing the folder that contains the files. You can get to this two ways. One, on the left-hand navigational bar, you can click the down arrow and then click Share. And if we set this access differently and hit Save, then you'll see that folder is shared, and then anything inside of that folder is also going to be shared, including folders as well as files. The other way that you can do the sharing is when you click on a folder, you can click on this checkbox here and hit the sharing icon up here as well. Alright, so that's just a short review of what we covered last time.